Number system, unit digit. What do you mean by a unit digit? So 12 into 12. What is the unit digit of 12 into 12? To get the unit digit of 12 into 12, we don't need to multiply total value. We need to multiply only units place. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 123 into 123. So what is the units place? Again we need to multiply units place. 3 3s are 9. 1 2 3 4 into 1 2 3 5. So what is the units place in the sense? Again we need to multiply units place. 4 5s are 20. Unit digit will be equal to 0. So again 123 into 123 into 123 into 123. So what is the units place of given value? In the sense 3 we are getting 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s 7 3s are 1. So that will be equal to 3 we are getting 4 times. So that will be equal to 3 square into 3 square. So 9 9s are 81. So that will be equal to 1 is the units place. If 123 we are getting 4 times, so that will be equal to 3 power 4 equal to 3 square into 3 square. We can multiply 9 into 9 will be equal to 1. So if in case ఒకవేళ మనకు 1 2 3 whole to the power of 20 25 times వచ్చిందంటే సో 20 25 times రాయలేం కాబట్టి we need to follow some specific method. సో ఇలా కాకుండా ఇలా వచ్చినా కూడా 20 24 whole to the power of 1,29,000 ఇలా వచ్చినా కూడా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ రాయలేం కాబట్టి we need to follow some rule. సో యూనిట్ డిజిట్ కి ఒక రూల్ ఉంది, ఆ రూల్ ఏందో మనం చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, సో if 1 power any value, 1 power any value will be equal to 1, where 1 square equal to 1, 1 cube is also 1, 1 power any value will be 1. So 2, cycle 2. Cycle 2 equal to 2 power 1 equal to 2, 2 square will be equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8, 2 power 4 equal to 16. Out of 16, unit digit will be equal to 6. Next, 2 power 5 equal to, if you don't know the value of 2 power 5, we need to write 2 power 4 into 2 power 1. So 2 power 4 is already 6. 6 2s are 12. Unit digit is 2. 2 power 6 equal to 2 power 4 into 2 square. So again 6 to 6 4s are 24. Unit digit is 4. 2 power 7 directly will go with 8. 2 power 8 ante, so unit digit will be equal to 8. సో ఒకసారి మనం చూస్తే 2 power 1 equal to 2, 2 square equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8, 2 power 4 equal to 6. ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకు 2 4 8 6 వాల్యూస్ వచ్చినాయి. అంటే 2 power we can write any value in between 1 to infinity. We are having the units of unit digit will be equal to only 2 4 8 6. సో ఇవి కాకుండా మనకు వేరే యూనిట్ డిజిట్స్ ఏమీ రావు. Only one case 2 power 0 will be equal to 1. Other than 2 power 0, remaining all the units places will be only 2 4 8 6. So ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ తర్వాత రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి అంటే, సో 4 స్టెప్స్ తర్వాత రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏదైనా పవర్ మనకి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు we need to divide number by 4. ఇక్కడ మనకి రిమైండర్స్ ఏమొస్తాయి అంటే we need to check. If any number divided by 4, remainder will be 1 2 3 or 0. సో మనకు వచ్చే రిమైండర్స్ 1 కానీ 2 కానీ 3 కానీ 0 ఉంటాయి. సో ఇవి కాకుండా వేరే రిమైండర్స్ ఏవి కూడా రావు. సో ఒకవేళ మనకు 2 power 21, what is the unit digit of 2 power 21 అంటే పవర్ we are having 21. సో బేస్ we are having 2. బేస్, ఈ బేస్ లో ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ తర్వాత రిపిటేషన్స్ వచ్చినాయి అంటే 4 స్టెప్స్ తర్వాత రిపిటేషన్స్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి 21 divided by 4. So we don't require quotient. Quotient మనకి ఏం అవసరం లేదు. We need to get the remainder. So what is the remainder we are getting? 1 is the remainder. So that will be equal to 2 power 1 equal to 2. Next to 2 power 531. 2 power 531. So that will be equal to what is the units place అంటే ఇక్కడ 531 divided by 4 చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే After 4 steps we are having the repetition. So what is the divisibility rule for 4? Divisibility rule for 4 will be equal to, if last 2 digits is divisible, then the total number is divisible. So 2 power 31 will be equal to remainder equal to 3. So that will be equal to 2 cube equal to 8. Next to 2 power 1 lakh 30. 2 power 1 lakh 30 will be equal to, again power will be equal to 1 lakh 30. So we can't divide 1 lakh 30 divided by 4. Divisibility rule for 4 equal to last 2 digits. 30 divided by 4. 30 divided by 4 remainder equal to 2. So that will be equal to 2 square equal to 4. Next to 2 power 20 24. 2 power 20 24 and again we need to take last 2 digits. Last 2 digits equal to 24. 24 is multiplication of 4. 2 power 4 equal to 6. 2 power 8 equal to 6. 2 power 24 is also multiplication of 4. Gabati, unit digit will be equal to 2 power 8 equal to 6. 2 power 8 equal to 6. 2 power 4 is also 6. 2 power 24 is also 6. ఒకవేళ మనకు 2012 whole to the power of 2025 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం చేయాల్సింది ఓన్లీ యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్. 201 అనేది నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేసి we need to take only 2 power 2025. 2 power 2025 లో we need to take only last 2 digits. Last 2 digits will be equal to 25. 2 power 25. So when we divide 25 divided by 4, remainder will be equal to 1. That will be equal to 2 power 1. 2 power 1 will be equal to unit digit will be equal to 2. So ఏదైనా వాల్యూ 2 లో ఏదైనా వాల్యూ వస్తే 1 to infinity ఏ వాల్యూ వచ్చినా కూడా ఈ మెథడ్ లో చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పటి వరకు 2 చూసాం కదా. నెక్స్ట్ 3. Cycle 3 will be equal to 3 power 1 equal to 3, 3 square equal to 9, 3 cube equal to 7, 9 3s are 7, 3 power 4 will be equal to 1. Next again 3 power 5 equal to 3 power 4 into 3 power 1 equal to 1 into 3 equal to 3, 3 power 6 equal to again 9, 3 power 7 equal to 7, 3 power 8 equal to unit digit is 1. Next, if I want to find out 3 power 821. 821 అంటే లాస్ట్ 2 digits. ఇక్కడ కూడా 4 స్టెప్స్ తర్వాత రిపిటేషన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి లాస్ట్ 2 digits. 3 power 21. 21 divided by 4 remainder equal to 1. 3 power 1 equal to 3. Next 3 power 20, 24, 5. So again 45. Last 2 digits equal to 45. 3 power 45. Remainder equal to 3 power 1. So remainder equal to, so unit digit equal to 3. Next వేరే నెంబర్స్ ఏమున్నాయంటే 4. 4 power 1 equal to 4. 4 square equal to 6. Next 4 cube అంటే again 6 into 4 equal to 4. 4 power 4 equal to unit digit is 6. ఇక్కడ 4 లో ఏం చెక్ చేయాలంటే power. We need to check power. If power is odd number, if power is odd number, unit digit will be equal to 4. If power is even number, unit digit equal to 6. సో 4 లో ఏదున్నా కూడా మనం చెక్ చేయాల్సింది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అని చెక్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది. నెక్స్ట్ 5. 5 power any value will be equal to 5. 6 power any value is also 6. నెక్స్ట్ సో 7 లో డైరెక్ట్ గా మనకు 2 3 తెలుసు కాబట్టి సో ఫైనల్ గా కంక్లూడ్ చేస్తే ఇన్ 2 3 7 8 after 4 steps we are having the repetition 1 comma 5 comma 6. 1 for anything is 1, 5 for anything is also 5, 6 for anything is also 6 అంటే same value. Next 9 power 1 equal to 9, 9 square equal to 1, 9 cube equal to 9, 9 power 4 will be equal to 1. ఇక్కడ కూడా we need to check whether power is even or odd. So in 4 comma 9 we need to check power is even or odd. Power is even or odd. So we need to remember in 2 3 7 8 after 4 steps we are having the repetition 1 comma 5 comma 6. 1 for anything is 1, 5 for anything is 5, 6 for anything is 6, In 4 comma 9, we need to check whether power is even or odd. In 4 power even number, unit digit is 6. In 9 power even number, unit digit is 1. Okay, now we'll see some questions. Next, the last digit of 2137 whole to the power of 753. So we know in 2378, after 4 steps, we have repetition. In the sense, 7 power 753. Ante we need to check last 2 digits. What is the divisibility rule for 4? If last 2 digits is divisible, then the total number is divisible. When we divide 53 divided by 4, what is the remainder? Remainder will be equal to 1. So that will be equal to 7 power 1. 7 power 1 equal to 7. So the unit digit of this value will be equal to 7 is the answer. Okay. Next. So find the digit at the end of, at the units place of given value. So again in 2378 after 4 steps we have repetition 7 power 59. 7 power 59. When we divide 59 divided by 4, remainder will be equal to 3. Ante, so we can write 7 cube into 3 power 87. 87 divided by 4. Remainder will be equal to 3. So again we can write 3 cube into 8 power 29. In 8 also we have, after 4 steps we are having the repetition 29 divided by 4. Remainder will be equal to 1. So that will be equal to 8 power 1. Next 9. In 4 comma 9 we need to check power is even or odd. ఇక్కడ 9 power odd ఉంది కాబట్టి 9 power 1 equal to 9. 9 power 1. 7 cube. What is the value of 7 cube? మీకు 7 cube value తెలియకపోతే డైరెక్ట్ గా 7 cube equal to 7 square into 7 power 1. 7 square into 9. 9 into 7 equal to 63. Out of 63, 3 is the units place. Again 3 cube. 3 square into 3 power 1. 3 square into 9. 9 into 3 will be equal to 7. 8 power 1 equal to 8. 9 power 1 equal to 9. So ante 7 3s are 1. 8 9s are 72. 2. Again last unit digit of 1 into 2 will be equal to 2. So final unit digit of given number equal to 2 is the answer. So unit digit of given expression. So 6 power any value. 6 power any value will be equal to 6. 3 power 512. 3 power 512 will be equal to 3 power 12. 12 is a multiplication of 4. 12 is a multiplication of 4 and we need to write 3 power 4. 9 power even number. 9 power even number minus 4 power odd number. 5 power any value. 1 power any value will be equal to 1. 6 into 3 power 4 will be equal to 3 square into 3 square. 9 nines are 1. 9 power even number will be equal to 9 square. 9 square equal to 1. Minus 4 power odd will be equal to 4 power 1. 4 power 1 equal to 4. 5 power anything is 5. 1 power anything is 1. So that will be equal to 6 minus 4 5s are 20 is nothing but unit digit is 0. 6 minus 0 equal to unit digit is 6. Next, unit digit of given expression. 121 whole to the power of 122. So finally 129 whole to the power of 121. In 2378, after 4 steps we have repetition. In 1 comma 5 comma 6 same value. 4 comma 9 we need to check power even or odd. Okay, 1 power any value will be equal to 1. 2 power 123. 2 power 123 will be equal to into after 4 steps. We are having the repetition in the sense we need to divide 23 divided by 4. When we divide 23 divided by 4, what is the remainder we are having? 3 is the remainder, that will be equal to 2 cube. Next. In 3 is also we have 4 steps. After 4 steps we are having the repetition ante 24 divided by 4. 24 అనేది multiplication of 4 కాబట్టి directly we have to write 3 power 4. Next 4 power even or odd. అంటే మనకు 4 power odd number ఉంది కాబట్టి 4 power odd. Next మనకి ఏముందంటే 5 power any value will be equal to 5. 6 power any value is also 6. Next 7 power 128. 7 also after 4 steps కాబట్టి 28 is multiplication of 4 కాబట్టి we need to write 7 power 4. 8 power 129. Again 29 divided by 4. Remainder will be equal to 1. 8 power 1. Again 9. In 9 we need to check power is even or odd. 121 will be equal to odd number. 9 power odd. 1 plus 2 cube equal to 8. 3 power 4 will be equal to 3 square, 3 square. 9 nines are 1. 4 power 1 will be equal to 4. 5 power any value will be equal to 5. 6. 7 power 4. 7 square into 7 square. 9 nines are 81. 8 power 1 equal to 8. 9 power 1 equal to 9. So we need to add all the values. Sum of 1 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 10. So 4 plus 6 is 10. We are cancelling 10 and 10. So 1 plus 9 is also 10. We are left with 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Out of 13, 3 is the units place. Next. If x equal to 164 whole to the power of 169 plus 333 whole to the power of 337 minus 727 whole to the power of 726, what is the value of x? So 4 power odd number, 4 power odd plus in 3 after 4 steps we are having the repetition 37 divided by 4. When we divide 37 divided by 4, remainder will be 1. So that will be equal to 3 power 1 minus 7 power, in 7 also after 4 steps we are having the repetition 26 divided by 4. Remainder will be equal to 2. So that will be equal to 7 square. So 4 power odd will be equal to 4. 3 power 1 equal to 3 minus 7 square equal to 9. So that will be equal to 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 ante we can't subtract 7 minus 9. So it is a big value. Ikkada chala pedda value undi. We are taking only units place kabatti we need to take 17 minus 9. We need to take the borrow. 17 minus 9 ante unit digit will be equal to, when we subtract 17 minus 9, so unit digit will be equal to 8. Ledu ante 7 minus 9 will be equal to minus 2. 10 minus 2 will be equal to 8. Ila kuda cheseyochu. Okay na? Next. If n equal to 1 factorial minus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial minus 4 factorial and so on, 49 factorial, what is the value of n power n? So that will be equal to, what is the value of 1 factorial? Where n equal to 1 factorial equal to 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial will be equal to 6, 4 factorial will be equal to 24. But we need to find out unit digit. 24 out of 24 unit digit is 4. 5 factorial. What is the value of 5 factorial equal to 120? Out of 120 unit digit will be equal to 6. 0. 6 factorial is also 720. Unit digit is 0. ఇక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నా మనకి యూనిట్ డిజిట్ is 0 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి so we are neglecting. So that will be equal to 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Minus 2 minus 4 equal to minus 6. 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Where n equal to 1. Next we need to find out n power n equal to 1 power 1. 1 power 1 equal to 1. So unit digit of given expression equal to 1. In this way we need to find out unit digit. Okay.